It's DBS Business once again, and I'm talking the market code, your business identifier. Now, we are a platform that have set ourselves on the pedestal to make sure that we make your international collaborations and also your business dreams come to reality. Here on the market code, now more than ever, I'm yours truly, Shadrach Shagaf Kisame on set. I'm joined by Ashaba Hajara, and tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we're exhibiting another manufacturer with less than a month to go for the WCI forum, as we have been doing from the previous couple of episodes where we're showcasing a lot of exhibitors. Tonight, it is construction materials. We are talking heavy equipment and heavy construction materials. Now, as the world is becoming globally mechanized, it is imperative that everyone who is constructing uses the latest levels of machinery. I am talking Makina. Now, they have been in business for half a century. I'm talking 50 years. They have over 10,000 plants around the world, and I'm talking over 1,000 employees. We're talking high tower cranes. We are talking construction machines. We're talking concrete manufacturing machines. All that in tonight's episode as they tell us, Makina, what are they all about? Are they going to be there at the WCI forum on the 17th and 16th? What should you expect? And for you who is in the same business and you are in Africa and you're watching, you sit back and relax as these people make sure that your business kicks off and takes off. Now, Makina actually takes pride in being the first company in Turkey to actually reduce foreign dependence of supply of construction materials into their country. We're talking concrete pavers, we're talking all concrete production. They reduce the dependence of Turkey to foreign companies. But remember, we're broadcasting live here in Kampala, Uganda at Salama Road in Munyonyo. Now remember, we are at the hub, and if you are there and you're looking for live streaming, production, all production of content creation shows, look no further. Just call the number on your screen and we'll definitely be able to get back to you. But I'm joined on set by Ashaba Hajara. Welcome to the show, and how are you doing today? You see, Makina comes with a buffet of experience for over 50 years, and they're talking heavy machinery. How excited should someone in the same construction business here on ground, but not just in Uganda, but in Africa, be?
Shadrach, you have a company that is priding itself in being reliable, in being environment friendly. Yeah. They produce energy-saving machines, yeah, and they have a wide range. There is a variety. It's like a one-stop center for all the construction machinery that one may require. Yeah. That is something to get excited about.
Right. For instance, in Uganda, the real estate industry has grown big. I'm talking the construction of apartments, construction of hotels. So the construction base for Uganda has grown and has skyrocketed. Yeah. So for someone who is in construction or real estate itself, some of them double as both. What should they expect from such a company, or how should they position themselves even?
Shadrach, before I go to those that you have just mentioned, I feel like we should expand on who can expect services from Makina, right?
Yeah.
Because these are people that are good with road. They will tell you if you need the road services, we are there.
Yeah.
The airport constructions and renovations, dam constructions. So you have someone that can get you anything, anything that you want, as long as you're in the construction line of work.
Right.
So we have seen the construction industry, real estate, growing in Uganda in the past few years, and it comes down to the quality of machines and how much one has to move around trying to come across the quality machinery that someone wants. For example, if you want a crane tower, and so you want graders and you want everything that has to do with concrete pavers, a batching plant, concrete batching plants, you want transmixers, you want backhoe loaders. So people want different things, but you're going to go to different companies to get the different machines that you want. Here you want someone that you can go to, whether you want something in the line of concrete, whether you want a grader, whether you want a crane tower, whatever you want. So given the growth and expansion of the construction industry in Uganda, it is something that you can position yourself with these people that have had a market throughout the world, and you look, where do you come in? We have them later. So can you be a partner? Can you just import with them? Given that they have price-friendly, low energy efficient machines. So if you're looking for something like that, if you want quality, if you want to be the leading construction company in Uganda that has such machines, this is a place to look at.
Right, so you make an important point when you talk about road construction and dams. For Uganda specifically, such deals have been given to Chinese because they have capital. And when we talk about capital, it's the machinery we're talking about. So for a Ugandan who has always been anticipating to get such tenders from government of construction of roads, construction of dams, and now Makina comes and says, hey, what the Chinese have, I even have better.
I think that's the advantage of the company that we are interacting with today, right? It is a Turkish company. And Turkish companies have prided themselves in two very important things. One, the price. Two, the quality of the products that they are offering you. Number three, the advantage of tonight's company is that they have post-sale follow-up services. So you cannot say that I'm going to grab say a deal with the government of Uganda, and then you're going to worry about the quality of the machines that were given to you. You have the work, you have the machines to do it, and the machines have the kind of quality that you require to get your work done. So how about we position ourselves and grab this? It's an opportunity, more of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
All right, so it is just 32, actually 33, 34 days to go for the WCI forum, which is happening 16th, 17th of March in Turkey. Now, we want to see what they have to tell us, but when we come back, we're joined by Mensa and Esra from the WCI forum, and Miss Jale, who is also in Turkey, and she's from Makina. After the break, do not go away, we return in a bit.
Would you like to do business with Turkey? Join the 6th International Business Forum to be held in Ankara from March the 16th to 17th. Meet the most powerful producers in Turkey and create collaborations with them. Make agency agreements for representations. Participate in B2B business meetings with companies from various industries such as construction, mining, textiles, food, agriculture, machinery, automotive, fast food and general trade. Book your place in a perfect organisation now. Join the forum to be held in Ankara from March the 16th to 17th, 2022. Our programme is as follows. Business Forum for 2 days. 1 day Belu Abant Nature Tour, Snow Holiday Daily. Take advantage of the limited availability to have your place. Submit your application to be part of the amazing programme. The 6th WCI Forum Turkey, the 16th to 17th of March 2022, Ankara.
Right, now in case you're wondering where you are, you're still on the Hub channel. I'm talking DBS business. Every time it's DBS business, you guess right, it's time for business. And we're talking business with Turkish manufacturers. We're not just local, we're going international. And if it's Turkey, it's DBS business. Right, now we are joined right now by Mensa, who is from the WCI Forum and is from Turkey. Many thanks for joining us, Mensa. How are you doing today?
Thank you. I'm good. What about you?
We are very well. Now, you had a press conference in DRC last week. I want you to kindly explain to the viewers what's happening, and I'm also knowledgeable. You have one in Benin soon. Tell us about the African engagement with the WCI Forum.
Thank you. As you knew it, we did a press conference in DRC, and it is the Chamber of Commerce of DRC who organized this press meeting with our collaborator, Mrs. Badiata, who is the Vice President of DRC Chamber of Commerce. And it was very beautiful. It was very powerful. We had some authorities, important authorities of DRC attend this press meeting, and even more than 100 businessmen from DRC attend this press meeting. And at the end of the press meeting, I can say economic operator of D are very to see CEO Usu in GRC. And after the conference, we get a lot of registration. And nowadays, we continue a lot of registration and payment for the forum. That means that with
Mensa,
this,
if you can just tell us what exactly happened. Did we have people sign up for the WCI Forum? Were you telling people what's going to be happening at the WCI Forum and why the businessmen, those 100 that you're talking about, should subscribe for the forum next month?
yes, exactly. At the press meeting, Mr. Utku tell them the opportunity they have to attend this our business forum, and what will be happen in this business forum, and tell them that every company in Turkish company are already getting ready to receive all of them, all African business people for this forum. That will be amazing. That will be amazing.
Right.
And every company, every enterprise of Turkey is waiting for our African business people to sign
To come
collaboration
through.
and
Right. So
other things.
Mensa, so the Africans who are watching you right now would want to know the history of Africans attending the forum.
Yeah, the forum is first of all a cooperation forum and a business forum, but a cooperation forum. You know that the history between Turkey and African countries is a long history. And then, according to what's happened now, Turkish people or Turkish government is ready to help Africa country to grow their economy by this WCI forum. That's very important that every businessman in Africa attend this forum.
Mensa, I have a question here. In case someone is worried whether their time has run out for registration, is it still open for those that are interested?
For those who didn't register themselves right now, it is not late. It is not late. They can register themselves right now, and with the collaboration of Minister of Foreign of Turkey, we are able to get them visa at time when they register themselves and when they pay us up. We are ready to get them visa on one day or 2 days. They will get their visa and fly to Turkey to this WCI forum. There is no problem there.
And as far as registering is concerned,
Please come again.
is there a deadline for those that would want to register?
Yeah, we have a deadline. We have a deadline to the end of February. This is the deadline, but for someone, we know that everyone have his program, but for those people who will come after the end of February or beginning of March, they can closely send us some message, and we will see what we can do for them.
All
What
right.
we need to what we can do is to make everybody participate at this forum.
Okay, many thanks to you, Mensa, for joining us today. We'll be getting back to you in a bit. But for now, let's go for a short break. But when we return with Esra and Miss Jale, who are also with you in Turkey. But for you who is watching live, do not go away. We are in Munyonyi and we are live. All right, now what Creamery is saying is that they are your number one stop for all creams. I'm talking pastries, cakes, everything. Now they can actually deliver. All you need to do is reach out to them. But remember, they are at the UK Mall in Kansanga, Kampala, Uganda. Now for the international audience, I don't think you can order. But we are joined with Esra right now, who is in Turkey. Many thanks for joining us, Esra. Thank you for
Hello,
joining us.
Shadrach. Thank you.
Yes.
First of all, thank you for the interest and support you have shown so far. Thank you very much. As you know, the forum date is very close. Our delegation already in many countries have started the visa process. So we are waiting for your good delegation also.
Right. Right, so I'm knowledgeable. Last week you had a press conference and we're actually talking with Mensa right now in DRC, and that went on very successful as many of the people in Congo onboarded for the forum. But
Yeah.
for those who are watching, they just want to know if you can paint a picture what is going to be happening when they land in Turkey. Are you responsible for the transportation? If you can quickly paint a picture for the Africans watching you right now.
Yeah, sure. We are all very excited. We are working hard to make it successful organization for everybody, Shadrach, you know. We will make the best matching for both Turkish companies, Turkish manufacturer and the African business people. Everyone will find everything they are looking for in this forum. We are preparing for this. We are preparing for this forum. And as we always say, we welcome people from every sector who want to make business with Turkey to this forum. Come and contact the manufacturers directly.
Exactly, that's what I wanted to ask. At the point where they contact the manufacturers, now there could be someone who is here, and when they reach the forum, their only fear would be if they cannot approach the manufacturers directly. Can you help match make these people who are in the same industry with maybe another manufacturer? Can you match make them when they come for the forum so they can collaborate?
Of course we can.
Because
of
that
course,
could be, that could
as
be
you
a
know,
fear. Go ahead.
Yeah, as you know, there are many different kind manufacturers in this forum. But if someone cannot find the right manufacturer for them, we can make more for this kind of people. For example, we have cooperation with many chamber of commerce in Turkey. So there are many kind of manufacturers. We can support them for everything. No problem.
Right, Esther, before I hand you over to Hajara, I would want to know if someone who is watching you right now and they've been at a forum before, they would want to find out what makes your forum peculiar, what makes your forum different from one they have attended before.
Shadrach, especially in Africa region, there are many intermediate companies for collaboration between Turkish manufacturer and African business people. So this is, I think this is most important things, because if you have some budget for import, you don't want to invest your money for intermediate companies. Am I right? So this is the most important thing is that you can find the directly responsible of the manufacturer companies. I think this is very important. I think.
Esra, in your own words, if people wanted to get your own word from because they are paying for different packages, what services come with the packages that they pay for?
Hajara, sorry, I couldn't hear you. Come again, please.
There are different packages provided that people can pay for, the different prices.
Yeah.
In your own words, what services come with a package? If I pay during registration, what will you offer me in exchange for the package other than simply attending the WCI forum? Esra?
All right. So with just a few days, that is 33 days to go for the WCI forum, we are very sure that for you who has not yet registered, you have to make your way to the .NET agency, or just go to the WCI forum website and click there to register. But let's take a breather. When we come, we talk to Miss Jale, who is actually from Makina, the construction company that is going to make your business come alive. Now, if you are watching on YouTube, all you need to do is click that subscription and also that notification bell. And just in case we put up something, you will be the first to know. But you can get back to us in the comment section below. And if you are on Facebook, make sure you like that page and also get back to us in the comment section below. But we are still joined with Esra. Right. So Esra.
Hello again. Sorry for connection.
Right, it is okay. So what we were trying to find out is, from your own words, the different kind of packages, because people are paying different amounts. What services come with those packages?
Okay, we have 3 different registration packages. One of them is basic registration. That means if you have already a Turkey visa, if you don't need the accommodation from us, you can make basic registration. On the other hand, there is a business registration and VIP registration. VIP registration means single accommodation. It's this packages including single accommodation, 4 nights in 5-star hotel, airport transfer, transfer from hotel the forum venue, and lunch, dinner, everything. And after the forum, 1 daily trip. Business packages is the same, but these are the double accommodation, include double accommodation. 2 people will share the 1 room. Right. This is the difference between VIP and business.
Right, Esra, that is clear, but we have a guarantee issue of here in Uganda, people, as they're trying to onboard even here in Uganda, their problem is, how are they guaranteed after payment? Is there a certification or letter you give from the Turkish embassy that, makes them sure that, yes, I am going for this forum and this is not a fake website?
Yes, sure. This is not fake website. Actually, when the people go to embassy, Turkish embassy for make visa application, they will see the Turkey Ministry of Foreign Affairs support official letter in the embassy.
Oh, impressive.
All Turkish embassy in Africa already knows our company, our exhibition, our organization. They can ask, they can call the embassy and ask for this organization.
Right. So do the traders, would they then have a letter from the Turkish embassy recommending them? WCI. Does WCI give a letter for undertaking or recommendation to the trader?
For visa process. Okay. Yes, we will give a visa letter for the process.
All right, impressive. But for now, we are joined by Miss Jale that Esra has actually introduced to us for tonight's broadcast, who is going to be at the WCI, right, Esra? She's going to be there.
Yeah. Today, we are together with P Machinery, Turkey's largest construction machinery manufacturer. Hello, Miss Jale.
Hello, Mr. Esra. Hello, Shadrach. How are you?
We are very well and nice to meet you. So people in Uganda and Africa are watching you
Thank you.
now. And what they would want to know is if you introduce yourself briefly and your company, the kind of products that you do.
Yeah, thank you very much, first of all, for giving me that chance to be here with you and to tell about our company to all your country. It's very precious for me to be here with you, and I'm a bit excited to give some informations about our company. I actually, you already made a really good brief about our company, about our products, product range, and why the potential customers in your country, in Africa, Uganda, should choose our company to cooperate with. Let me briefly introduce ourselves before. We are a 50 years old company and producing many of production range which one needs for construction. Uh, but the products that we are producing, mainly the construction machinery, some concrete batching plants, concrete pumps, tower cranes, crushing and screening plants, and heavy equipment machinery like backhoe loaders and motor graders. Our company has two production facilities located in Ankara, Turkey, and the total area of the production is around open and closed area 800,000 square meters, and we have more than 1,000 employees, full-time employees inside our company. And we have footprints in all over or around the world, also in the local market, and we have many footprints in the global market. We are in North Africa, we are in South Africa, we are in East Africa, Gulf, Middle East, and Russia. And we are so much interested to sell our products and expand our market share in African countries, mainly in also in the East Africa. Uganda is one of the target market for us, and we are so much excited to broadcast our company to Uganda potential buyers and the construction sector.
All right, Ms.
If
Jali.
you have any questions, I can try to respond to you.
Right.
Thank
Ms.
you very
Jali,
much.
this is very impressive. And for all the Ugandans who are watching you right now, they are very excited. But before I hand you over to Hajara, who has questions and concerns of her own, maybe finally, for someone who would want to make an order or to interact with you or to do business with you, what are your terms of payment and then terms of delivery?
Yes, you're right. Shortly, I will try to explain. If someone wants to purchase a product from our company, they first contact with us. We have a very professional company website. Also, we have our contact numbers and all the social media we are also using. In addition, I want to add one more thing. With Esra and Utku, there are one of good collaborators in Turkey, and we are attending to WCI forum next month in Ankara, in Turkey. And we are really very excited to be there because we are expecting too many potential clients, professionals, and companies from Africa and Uganda. And we will be so happy to meet them there, help them with their request, and also we would like to maybe we can make a short tour afterwards in our company and the factory. When somebody, if they want
impressive.
to,
And I would like for the people, because right now there are pictures on the screen showing what you are doing. But for now, I want us to take a short tour of a video for your company and the products that they do. Then we return. Do not go away. right now, the company you just saw, where we just took a tour, has been in business for half a century. I'm talking 50 years. I'm talking 1972. And they are the first company in Turkey that actually reduced dependence from foreign products. I'm talking machinery. Now, they are the only ones that at affordable price, they have high and heavy equipment that you need for all your construction. Miss Jale is still with us from Turkey.
Yes.
Hajar.
Hello again.
Ms. Jale, we already have Chinese
Hello.
companies established here. So what guarantee
Yes.
do you give Ugandans that they should pick your products over the Chinese products that are here?
Yes, that's true. That many of Chinese products and also many of Chinese investments already in Uganda and Africa market. Actually, we want to change this, and really we want to sell our product and expand our markets in African countries. Because the Turkish brands are, as you already explained, actually, thank you very, by the way, thank you very much. It was really a great briefing about us, Hajara. Yes, we are doing a good quality. We are manufacturing a good quality with really premium components. And we have very professional production facilities. Also, we have a very professional after-sales services and spare part services. Also, spare part availability, inside spare part availability in our company. We are manufacturing not only the products, but also the spare parts. So when the customers wants to purchase product from us, they are committed to use our product for more than 10 years. This is very important. And also we are giving the guarantee about the spare part availability for more than 10 years. This is really important. This also shows the power of our company and the qualification of our products. Also, we offer really very reasonable prices. Actually, if actually we can explain our products like we can position our products like quality like the European manufacturers, but the price is really very reasonable, like the other Chinese competitors. So there is no reason for our customers not to prefer us. I'm sure this will be really very good potential to create a business together.
Right, thank you very much, Ms. Jale. But now for Ezra and also Ms. Jale, if this goes to Ezra, Ms. Jale, will the Africans or the people coming for the forum, will they get chance, the visitors, will they get a chance to, after the forum or during the forum, come and visit your premises, the company?
Yes, why not? Of course, if they have time or if they want, and if they come and meet us with at our booth at our show area, so afterwards we can also show them our facilities and premises, so they can have a chance to see our production. See our infrastructure and the company just in time, and they can see how a professional company can be located in Turkey.
Right. Thank you very much. Now we go for a short break, but when we come back, we're still with Ms. Jale. She's in Turkey and she's assuring us that they are the only people for all your construction needs. Do not go away.
Steel is our business, and we are everywhere in life. Our world has been changing rapidly. We could not ignore this change. We had to create an awareness. We had to do something. Every beginning requires a touch. We said that investment takes courage. Trading involves risk. We were aware of these. Strength requires being a team. All of these are in our nature. Jared Binmez Group. CRT. Courage, risk, team.
Now you are still on the market code, your business identifier. Now this is a platform that has made the endeavors to make sure you collaborate with those international manufacturers, and they have actually partnered with the .NET agency to make sure that you reach those international manufacturers that you have only dreamt about. So tobeera awo ng'oli eyo ng'olowooza nti tosobola kufuna nti anze ndi musuubuzi wa wansi jangu buzzi ku .NET agency basobole okutusaako ku manufacturers bo abali e Turkey. Ky'olina okukola is to call them kwezi enamba z'essimu eziri wansi, teweenyooma, buli muntu yenna asobola okukola n'abataki, wabula weetaaga abantu abatuufu ng'era abo abantu be ba .NET agency abali wano emunyonyo ku Salama Road. But as we wind up the discussion, Hajara, maybe if we could just get Miss Jale real quick before we wind up the discussion. Miss Jale. Right, Hajara, as we get Miss Jale right there, 50 years, because we were discussing that there are people, and you broadened it to dams and then roads.
Yeah.
Previously, we were giving to external companies, Chinese, but now a Ugandan can take a tender with such equipment. All you need to do is show the government that you have the right equipment, and here the people are. Is that something that is viable that a Ugandan can dive deep into?
The biggest advantage that the WCI forum has opened up Turkey to Ugandans is the fact that you can learn that there is open partnerships that are ready to do that out there. We have had exhibitors here that have expressed interest in establishing local plants. We have had companies here that have established interest in having suppliers here, agents. So if you have a chance, if you have a shot to deal with a company like this, on a level that they can supply you with their machinery, and then you're able to connect with them, that gives a Ugandan opportunity, a Ugandan that may otherwise not have the capital to establish a company and get an experience of 50 years right there so the government can trust it. It gives one an opportunity to actually have machinery. We have seen the machinery that they are able to provide. So you're looking at real estate, you're looking at dams, you're looking at roads, you're looking at isolated random housing, one house, two houses. You have a company that gives you that in just one heartbeat. So this is the advantage. This is the foremost advantage. The fact that we have companies that are open to partnering
with people down here. So what Hajara is trying to assure Ugandans that as big and as experienced and as rich as these companies are, they are actually open for partnerships with you here on ground. So Tewenyoma, all you need to do is reach out to the .NET agency. Now, Hajara, with less than 4 or 5 weeks to the WCI forum, what are your last words as we wind up today's discussion?
I want to first do some sort of recap why we had this company here today, the advantages of dealing with this company, the exhibitor that we hosted today. For those that understand construction, for those that are there right now, you're looking at people that produce concrete batching plants that can produce between 30 to 360 cubic centimeters of concrete.
Correct.
You're looking at tower cranes that are capable of lifting between 8 to 12 tons. You're looking at backhoe loaders. You're looking at, I said crane towers. You have a great deal. You have a variety of machinery, heavy equipment machinery in construction that can be given to you either on a partnership or if you want to import on both levels, or if you want to be a local agent, they have given us their terms of payment. So for Ugandans that have dreams, because the real estate industry in Uganda has grown.
Right, it's emerging really, yes.
Yes, it's one of the leading industries here right now.
Right.
So for those that have interest in that, the .NET agency has taken a step to give you this company today, to give you a shot at traveling to Turkey. You're having a trip and a business opportunity at the same time with a company like this, a shop one-stop center that you can get all these from at a low cost. She has said something. She said, we give you European market quality goods on a price that you get Chinese products from, and we all know what the Chinese products are. So we have an opportunity here to trade, to develop interests, to have products that we may not be able to get given the capital that we can raise at this particular point. So I call upon Ugandans to embrace this chance. Please register for the WCI forum. Please contact the .NET agency. Get in touch with these people, because Shadrach, I want to be confident that this business is not stopping with the WCI forum. Yes. The .NET agency is always going to be here to connect you to these manufacturers. So that, like the Waganda would say, where you need .NET agency, you have people that can get you to Turkey to the products that you have always dreamt of at a lower cost.
All right, impressive. Hajar actually said that, as we all know the Chinese products, we all do not know. I do not know what Chinese products are. But that has been a very interesting discussion. Now, for you who has been watching right there, it is key that you actually reach out to the .NET agency, because do not sit down and say, all you need to do is start with that small amount you have, walk to the .NET agency. They will actually help you position your brand. They will actually help you with business consultancy. So do not sit there and think that it is not possible. It is 100% possible. All you need to do is reach out. But from me and the entire DBS management for tonight's show, we want to say good luck. Until next time, now more than ever, I'm yours truly, Shadrach Shagaf Kisame. Hi, my name is Shadrach Shagaf Kisame. I know you may or may not even know me. However, that is not important. The important part is, allow me introduce or even bring to you what could actually turn out to be your business kickstarter or even business lifesaver. You see, in our day-to-day endeavors to make that extra dollar, for some, that only dollar, the biggest barricade, the biggest frustration, and even the biggest hindrance turns out to be the knowledge gap, the business gap. Provided the outcome is income, your dream is valid. We will be coming to you live with business exclusives, business nuggets, and business insights. Above all, business interviews from your international top business moguls. Ladies and gentlemen, I have good news for you. The Hub Channel by DBS.